Hello everyone. So I hope you're seeing aircraft online just come in this foam format. So this glider is actually fun to fly with and it's actually suitable for kids, and I would recommend that kids play with it. It's really fun to play with. So we have the wing over here and it's made out of a type of foam where it doesn't break so easily, but still we cannot trust on it. I just broke this tail trying to fix it. So just make sure that it is delicate enough, at the same time it is robust enough for the kids to play with. So we'll just start to begin assembling this. So we have the wing which is thick here and thin here. So this will go to the back of the aircraft. So let me just put it in here. So once it starts becoming tight, hold on to the fuselage and try to pull it a little front and little back. So that's it, it's fixed. And now with the tail, so we have like a three dots over here and this two slots, and here is a single circle. So this is the bottom surface, and on the fuselage you have two slots again, one which can do acrobatics and the other one which has a normal gliding. So I'm just going to insert it on the top just to have fun. So once it's tight, yeah, it's center enough. Your glider is ready, the CG is well balanced. Let's take it for flying. I have one more model which I place this tail on the bottom slot. So let's see how this both perform.